In a world where a flat gray model tells you nothing, Mostra transforms complexity into clarity. With Mostra PRO, inspect categories like windows materialize in a vivid spectrum. Choose a parameter from the color palette and watch your model burst into color with just a click on Execute. Every part of this 3D model becomes insightful, unveiling layers at a glance. The results dialog confirms. Diverse colors applied across a range of components, making each section vividly distinct. Need precision? Apply overrides to instantly tweak views, ensuring nothing escapes your eye. Dive into detailed visual analysis without missing a beat. For those crucial deliverables, switch operations to create views. Execute this to produce isolated perspectives where needed, turning each component into a visual narrative. Ultimately, Mostra makes comprehension instantaneous and powerful. Every model becomes more than data. It becomes a story.